The thought of not seeing the faces of our loved ones, missing out on the colors of the sunset, or being plunged into darkness terrifies us more than any other ailment. This isn't just me speaking, it's a chilling reality that countless studies have confirmed. The fear of losing our vision eclipses even our dread of cancer, stroke, heart disease, and other serious health conditions. If you've ever been haunted by these dark fears, know that you are not alone. But what if I told you that safeguarding our eyes and preserving our vision could be as simple as turning to the natural remedies provided by the earth? In a world where our eyes are constantly under siege from the glare of screens, environmental pollutants, and the inevitable march of time, it's time we looked beyond conventional solutions. Today, we're shining a light on herbs that aren't just about keeping your vision intact. They're here to elevate it. Without further ado, let's get started. Aloe vera. Often hailed for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera is another remarkable herb that benefits eye health. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins, including vitamin E and A, which are essential for protecting the eyes against oxidative stress and improving vision health. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce eye irritation and inflammation, making it a valuable natural remedy for dry eyes and other ocular conditions. Additionally, its gel contains enzymes and amino acids that support the overall health of the eye, including mitigating the effects of UV exposure. Integrating aloe vera into your eye care regimen, whether as a dietary supplement or in topical applications, can contribute to maintaining healthy vision and protecting the eyes from various environmental and age-related challenges. Ginkgo biloba. This ancient tree, known as one of the oldest living species, is a treasure trove of benefits for eye health. Ginkgo biloba, with its rich content of flavonoids and terpenoids, has been revered in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. These compounds are particularly effective in enhancing blood circulation, crucial for the optimal functioning of the eyes. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach the eye, fortifying it against common afflictions. One of the hallmark advantages of ginkgo biloba is its potential in combating glaucoma, a condition where increased pressure in the eye can lead to vision loss. By improving blood flow, ginkgo biloba not only offers a protective shield against glaucoma, but also fights oxidative stress. This oxidative stress is a significant risk factor for various eye diseases, including age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision impairment among the elderly. The antioxidative properties of ginkgo biloba help in neutralizing free radicals, providing a layer of defense against the progression of these conditions. Green tea, loaded with antioxidants such as catechins, offers significant benefits for eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from the damage caused by UV rays and other environmental stressors. Studies suggest that the compounds in green tea can penetrate eye tissues, offering protective effects against glaucoma and other eye diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, further enriching our arsenal of natural remedies for eye health. If this video has given you value so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Chamomile. Best known for its soothing properties, chamomile also has significant benefits for the eyes. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant qualities make it ideal for use in compresses to alleviate eye irritation and inflammation. Chamomile's flavonoids and terpenoids contribute to its effectiveness in treating eye conditions, underscoring its therapeutic potential in eye care. Dandelion. Commonly dismissed as a mere weed, dandelion is, in reality, a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals essential for eye health. Its greens are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that shield the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. These antioxidants are crucial in diminishing the risk of chronic eye diseases such as AMD and cataracts, highlighting dandelion's underestimated value in eye care. Turmeric, a staple in culinary and medicinal practices, owes its health benefits to curcumin. This compound's anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties make it a critical player in eye health. Curcumin's efficacy extends to the prevention and management of AMD and the protection against diabetic retinopathy, a condition characterized by vascular damage and oxidative stress. Through its action, curcumin helps mitigate the risk factors associated with these conditions, showcasing turmeric's broad applicability in maintaining eye health. Fennel. Fennel's unique licorice flavor belies its status as a nutritional giant, especially beneficial for the eyes. Its rich vitamin A content is crucial for vision, particularly in low light conditions, and plays a pivotal role in combating night blindness and dry eyes. The abundance of antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, in fennel fortifies the eyes against oxidative stress, thereby reducing the risk of AMD and cataracts. Fennel's contribution to the antioxidant defense system is indispensable for eye health. Rosemary. Celebrated for its fragrance, rosemary is also a font of antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These substances excel in neutralizing free radicals, thus warding off oxidative stress, a perpetrator in the development of AMD and cataracts. Additionally, rosemary's impact on enhancing blood circulation benefits the eyes by ensuring a sufficient supply of oxygen and nutrients, vital for their health and resilience against diseases. Bilberry. Valued for its dense anthocyanin content, bilberry, a cousin of blueberries and cranberries, is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These compounds are essential for neutralizing harmful free radicals, thereby safeguarding eye health and enhancing night vision. Bilberry's influence on blood circulation plays a pivotal role in delivering a constant flow of nutrients to the eyes, which is vital for preserving ocular health and function. Beyond its antioxidative benefits, bilberry has shown promise in aiding the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment crucial for night vision, making it an invaluable ally against conditions that impair the ability to see in low light conditions. Eyebright is a small herb celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine, primarily for treating eye ailments. Its name itself suggests its affinity for eye health. Rich in flavonoids, antioxidants, and vitamins A and C, Eyebright has properties that can soothe eye irritation, reduce inflammation, and possibly enhance vision clarity. Historically, it has been used in the form of eye drops, compresses, or teas for conditions like conjunctivitis, blepharitis, and eye strain, offering relief and support to irritated and tired eyes. The antioxidants present in Eyebright help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and may contribute to the prevention of more serious conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Its inclusion in a regimen focused on eye health underscores the potent and varied nature of herbs in supporting vision and ocular well-being. Saffron. Beyond its culinary allure, saffron boasts profound health benefits, particularly for the eyes. Rich in crocin and quercetin, saffron's antioxidants offer a robust defense against oxidative stress, implicated in the development of AMD. Research has illuminated the potential of saffron supplementation in enhancing visual acuity among AMD patients, offering a beacon of hope for those grappling with this condition. The anti-inflammatory properties of saffron further reinforce its status as a guardian of eye health, underscoring its role in protecting against the progression of eye diseases. Astaxanthin stands out in the realm of eye health as a powerful ally, drawn from the depths of microalgae. This remarkable antioxidant is celebrated for its unparalleled efficacy in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, two notorious culprits behind a multitude of eye conditions, including the feared age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and the common yet debilitating cataracts. What sets astaxanthin apart is its unique ability to breach the blood-retinal barrier, offering targeted support directly to the eyes. This direct action equips astaxanthin with the capability to alleviate eye fatigue, sharpen visual acuity, and fortify the eyes against the relentless assault of UV light exposure. Embracing astaxanthin in our eye health arsenal opens doors to not just maintaining, but significantly enhancing our vision, showcasing the profound potential of nature's offerings in safeguarding our sight. Are there any herbs or natural supplements you swear by for maintaining sharp vision? Tell us about your go-to remedies in the comments below. Losing our eyesight is a big fear for many of us. It's like a shadow, always there, making us worry about a future where we can't see. But today, we've seen that there's real hope with natural remedies. These aren't just plants. They're our allies in the fight against the darkness that haunts our deepest fears. By adding these herbs into our daily routine, we keep our vision strong and clear, and remember, your eyes are the camera to capture all the wonders of the world. Let's protect this precious gift with the best that nature has to offer. If you want to learn more about an amazing supplement that improves overall health, including eye health, you should watch this video. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we can't wait to share more with you in the future.